In this video, we will be learning about how to do amendment in sale order. So before getting into the procedure, let me explain the concept in detail. So what is a sale order amendment? Which means changing or updating an already created sale order. For example, changing the quantity or rate or delivery date. So this is known to be as your sale order amendment. And so this slide consists of your customer name, that's of Bharat Petroleum Private Limited, against the item that's of bicycle. And then you have your UIN, that's of unit of measurements. And here you have your sale order quantity and unit price. Sale order quantity which is of 20 and so unit price which is of 130, which you are going to do a modification in our amendment screen. So this slide holds up the workflow approval. And so this process consists of two. One is reviewing the document, another one will be approving the document from our user. So first and foremost, the user, he will be forwarding the document to our reviewer. And so here our reviewer is Dia, who will be acting as a sales supervisor. So after having a review, Dia will be forwarding the document for approval to our Purani, who is our sales manager here, will be approving the document. And so after approving the document will be getting approved. So this is the flow of our workflow. So after giving the approval, the sale order amendment will be getting created. So now let me show you how we are going to proceed in our ERP. And so this is a login page. Enter your username and password. Now click on login. Now click on sales, add transaction, navigate to your sale order and customer schedule amendment and close chart. So this is the page where you can create and filter the documents which based upon header wise or through line wise. And so the documents which have been created will be displayed up when you click on search. So now as we are going to create an amendment for a sale order, click on this create SO amendment. So here we have two types which consist of your single amendment close chart and bulk close chart. So single amendment that refers to closing or amending one specific sale order or a line item individually. When it's of your bulk close chart, it allows you to close multiple sale orders or multiple line items in one go instead of closing each other individually. So now we will be clicking on this single amendment or close chart. After clicking, a page will be getting viewed up here, which holds your location ID, unit, and so the prefix respectively. Then comes your sale order amendment number, which will get generated automatically when you give up save. Then you have a date where you can elect it up. And then you have a prefix for which sale order we are going to off against. So this is the sale order number. After giving a sale order number, your customer ID and name will be getting fetched up. Then it consists of your sale order revisions and the sale order date. Then if you are given your purchase order number, which will be getting reflected here. And so your purchase order date. Then comes your salesperson. And so the amendment reason, which is of editable. The next tab is of your exchange rate. Exchange rate is the value of one currency in terms of another currency. In ERP, it's used to convert foreign currency transactions like sales, purchase, or payments into the company's base or local currency for accounting and reporting. Then holds your currency and so your total amount. Then it holds a tab called that's of status, which is of draft. Still the document is on process, it's of draft. When it's been forwarded, the status will be changed to entry completed. And when being approved by the approver, will be transformed to your status called amended or your approved. So after giving all such details, click on save icon. And now a sale order amendment number has been generated. Then it consists of 4 tabs, which of line, charge items, T&C, that's terms and conditions, and general. When coming to your line, it represents the individual item or product ordered by a customer within a sales order. So each line contains your item specific details such as product code, quantity, price and delivery schedule of. Then comes your charge items. It refers to the additional cost or adjustments applied to a sale order apart from the item prices. So these can be either additions of your like freight, packing or deductions like discounts. Then comes your terms and conditions, which are the set of rules, obligations and agreements between the buyer and seller that govern the sales transaction, and so they define how the order will be processed, delivered, paid for and what responsibilities each party holds up. So this general consists of your old term details and new term details where it can be updated up. So in line, either we can give by clicking on this add icon of direct, or then we can just click it by fetching up the document. So now we will be clicking on this fetch, where so we can elect the document and click on OK. And so the document has been fetched up here, for which you are going to do amendment. And so the type consists of modify, close short and addition. Since it's of amendment, you're placing it at modify. And then it holds up your item ID and the item descriptions. Then comes your sale UAM, that's unit of measurement. So this is your old sale order quantity, which is of 23. And my new sale order quantity, I'm giving as 20. And my old unit price, it's of 122. And my new unit price, I'm giving it up 130. And so this is our quantity and it consists of the unit price. So unit price, it's the cost of single unit of a product or service in a sale order. It's the price before taxes, discounts and additional charges which been applied up. And so I've entered my new sale order quantity and my new unit price. Then consists of your old discount amount. And so a new discount amount can be given as per required. Then it holds your old ship from or location ID and then new ship from location ID. When you click on this detail icon, it consists of your discount details, which holds up your old discount and new discount details, and then your tax details, which is of old and new, and your GST details and source details of line details 1. When you click on this line details 2, it consists of your old line details and new line details and sales account, which is of your CPC code, that cost and profit center. And when you click on this old location details, which of your ship to, bill from and ship from addresses. And then this is your new location details, where it holds up and it can be updated it up to your location, which holds up LOV. And then you have an action which holds a bin icon. This icon is for deleting that line, which is of cancellation. If you do not want to proceed it further, you can click on this bin icon so that the line will get deleted off. So after giving all such details, click on save. Now click on post. Now the document will be getting forwarded to Kaushik, who is our supervisor, who will be reviewing the document over here. Now click on OK. And so the document has been forwarded now. Now let's log in as our supervisor Kaushik. Click on login. And so now we have logged in as our supervisor. This is the login page of our Kaushik. Here you hold a bell icon. Go to your approvals. And so the document has been waiting to take up the action. When you click on this detail icon in order to view up. And so the document has been viewed here. After having a review of the document, which holds up the item and so a new sale order quantity and new unit price. you will be clicking on approve. So now the document will be moving forwarded for approval and review to Vimal, who is our manager. Now click on OK. Now let's log in as our manager. Click on login. And so this is a login page of our purchase manager, Vimal. Now go to this bell icon, click on approval. And so in order to view up the document, click on this detail icon. Now the document has been viewed up. And so after having the review of the document, this is a document which has been forwarded from our supervisor. Now we are going to approve the document. Click on this approve icon. And so the action takes place here is approve. Since we are approver here, click on OK. Now the document has been approved. Now let's check the status in our user login. Click on login. Now let's search for the document. After giving a document number, click on search. Now the status has been changed to approved after draft and entry completed. And now let's view the document. Now the status has been changed from draft and entry completed to approved over here. When you click on this print icon, a report will get generated of your sale order amendment, which holds up all such details which have been given up. Have a comparison of your old and new that's been updated up here. So this is our old quantity which is of 23 and the new quantity which have updated is of 20. And so the unit price has been given up, old and new. And so the total amount will be getting reflected over here with the net amount. And here we have a prepared by, checked by and approved by concerned persons. So this is the report. And so this is how you'll be generating a report of your sale order amendment. And when you click on this WF log, that's your workflow log, it consists of the document where it's being flown through of, and to the concerned persons who have been handled it, who have been given the action call as a forwarded, review and so approved. So which holds the entire history of your workflow. And now let's look up the status of our amendment have been changed up in our sale order. For that, move on to your sales. When you click on sales, you have your sale order. Now let's search for a document. After giving a document number, click on search. And so there is an item which we have given up, and so there is a order quantity and unit price. And so when you view the document, click on this view amendment. So here you will be getting updated up. So this is your sale order quantity and this is your new sale order quantity which I have given now along with the new unit cost. And so this is how you will be creating a amendment for your sale order. Thank you for watching.